Wow, I'm so lucky! This is the console I wanted!
Can you please let go of my game?
Your game? I saw it first!
It's mine!
No, let go!
No,
It
it
is
isn't.
doing enough!
I know how to settle this. Whoever wins the most challenges gets the console for free.
Okay, let's do it!
Yeah, I'm ready!
Let the challenge begin. Welcome to the Black Friday Challenge.
Oh.
For the first round, you guys will be eating pasta.
Pasta? That's so easy!
You didn't let me finish. The first person to eat without their hands wins.
Easy, huh?
No, that's no problem. I'm winning this.
Okay, guys, start.
Oh no, this is harder than I thought!
I gotta eat faster!
Wow, looks like Joyce is in the lead, and Fred's catching up.
I still have a chance!
Lily, I won!
But I was eating so fast!
Congratulations, Joyce, you get 1 point. And don't worry, Fred, we still have the next round.
Yes.
Now for the next challenge, lemons.
Lemons? I hope they're not too sour. Ah, it's so sour, but I tried it. Does that mean I win?
What? Hold on, Fred. Whoever eats the most lemons in 1 minute wins the challenge.
Ooh, good luck, Fred!
Luck? I don't need luck.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, it's so sour, but I need to do this.
What? He's making it look so easy! Here goes nothing! Oh, so sour! What? He's already finished 5 lemons? I have to hurry!
Oh, I'm winning, yes!
Alright, guys, time's up. Congratulations, Fred. Looks like you won. You get 1 point.
Yes!
Which means you guys are tied. Ready for the next round?
Absolutely!
I hope you guys have good eyes because we're doing the Don't Choose a Wrong Food Challenge.
Okay, bring it on!
I wouldn't be too sure, Joyce. This challenge is really hard.
Let's see what food you guys got. 3, 2, 1, ta-da!
Ooh, I love fries!
Hold up, Joyce. You have to choose the right sauce.
What?
Only one of these is ketchup. Choose the wrong one and your mouth will be on fire.
Oh man, they both look the same! I'll just choose this one. What is this? Why is it so spicy, Lily?
Oh no, that means you got the sriracha.
Yes, I won! I got ketchup!
Nuh-uh, you gotta try it first, Fred, before you win.
This looks so much like the sriracha. Am I being tricked? Here it goes. Sweet ketchup.
Congratulations, Fred, you're in the lead with 2 points.
Yes!
And don't worry, Joyce, we still have the next round.
Don't be so confident, Fred. I'm going to beat you.
Alright, guys, for the next round, we're having cinnamon rolls.
Oh yes, dessert!
I love cinnamon rolls!
Wait, guys, wait! Before you dive in, one of these is fake. You have to choose the real one to win.
Oh man, I have to be careful. I'll choose this one.
What? Wait, but I wanted that one!
I chose it first.
Can you please switch with me? You chose first in the last one.
Oh, fine. You can have it.
Yes, thank you so much.
Whatever. I'll try this one then. This looks and feels real. Let's see how it tastes. Yay! I got the real one!
What? No way! This looks way more real, see?
I don't know, Fred. Try it and find out.
Okay, I will.
Good luck.
What? I can't believe it's not real!
I told you I win, Fred.
Actually, Joyce, you guys are tied right now. The last round will determine who wins.
Milk? Huh? This is too easy.
Joyce, this is a challenge, remember? One of them could be spoiled.
No, guys, the milk is for the Korean spicy noodles.
You can always give up if you can't handle it.
No way, let's do this.
Okay, guys, whoever eats the most noodles wins. Go!
Oh, wow, that spice is so strong, but I can't let her win. Milk, 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 I need milk!
Is it that spicy?
Yeah, I'm done.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, Joyce. As long as you eat more than Fred, you'll win.
Okay, I'll do it. Alright, if I can eat this, I win. Fred, don't be so such a baby. It's not that bad.
No, not Joyce. I'm taking this.
Congratulations, Joyce! Joyce, you win the Black Friday challenge!
Yes, I won.
Hey guys, wait!
I got one more in our shipment.
One more?
Looks like you can buy one, Fred!
Yes! This is the best Black Friday ever!
Joyce, you win! Alright, guys! For the now,
I wouldn't be too shoot!
one is not
Oh gosh, that spice is so strong! It's so hot!
No problem. I'm waiting.
Oh, you already said
Hi everyone!
Did you guys like the Black Friday challenge video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and see you in the next video.
Bye.